Oh, it's got a nice spin on it. These are ones I made yesterday. With my new spinner jig, I made that yesterday. It's like, I'd rather have a much bigger blades, but this is all I got for right now until the new ones show up. But I need some practice, and just give me a chance. So it's kind of little, but you know, maybe something will happen. Who knows? I have, I get something on there. A fish on? Yeah, got a fish. Alrighty, check that out. It's a nice one too. It's a nice brown. It's coming right at me. Oh yeah, a nice guy. All right, you really like that spinner. All right, guys, there you go. This is the new spinner that I made last night. I'll get this guy over here if I can. So I'm trying not to disturb the creek as much because I want to be able to get more going on here. Put this guy up here. My hand's wet. Here you go. First one of the day. Hands are wet. This guy, I really like that. I really like that thing too. Make sure he's safe. Get that hook out. This guy, oh shit. Well, he swam away. I don't know how far he's gonna go. But they really like these new spinners. I love it. So that was the first fish I caught. That's a spinner that I made at home last night. I'm trying to learn how to use my spinner jig. So this is the spinner that I made last night, so it doesn't look like much, but I actually caught a fish on it, so it makes me pretty happy. It's not bent or anything yet. Ooh, maybe it got bent a little bit. Fish on. Fish on, fish on. Just a little brown. Hey, just a little brown trout. Just a little guy. Get that hook out of you quick there, buddy. There we go. Yeah, just a little brown. Cool little guy. All right, we'll get him back in the water. Oh, there he goes. Swims away. All right. Oh, fish on. Got another guy. Oh, another brown. There you go. Got another brown. And this guy, I don't think he took it down in there too far, so it should be pretty easy to release him. So we'll take him to the shore too. Okay, hold still there, dude. You gotta do some discount surgery on you too. Everybody seems to be taking that thing in their mouth way in there, so. All right, I think I got you free. No problem there, Chucklehead. All right, I think it's like number 4. It's been a pretty good day so far, but there you go. We'll get this guy back in the water. There he goes, he swam away. Actually, he just swam right up over here. Right into the bushes by my feet, so. Uh-oh, it's on the bank. Fish. Wow, yeah, I got a brown right there. There you go. Nice one. Nice little guy. What do we got here? Oh yeah, he's got a nice little corner hook. Yes, that one hand is soaking wet, so just pulled the fish out of there. Yep, there we go. Another brown, I think almost like 5, 6. I don't know, something like that. But we'll get this guy back in the water. Oh, there he goes, good to go. All right, decided to switch it out. I put this one on now instead. This guy here, this is another homemade one. This one here is kind of, I don't know, it may not be as good as the other one, but we'll give it a shot. It's got a little purple little head tail with a little bit of white. We'll see. Oh yeah, it's spinning really nice. So we'll see how this one goes. Give it a shot. Oop, fish on. We got another one. Oh boy, he's just jumping all over the place too. Here we go, another brown. Nice colors on this guy. Really like that lure. Little dude. Little guy. Nice color on him though. Hold on, dude. We'll get you back in. There we go. Oh, all right. Well, he decided he wanted to go back in too fast and couldn't wait. So he didn't want to talk to you guys. Fish on. That was pretty fast. First cast up into this little hole up in here. And now I'm probably gonna lose him because I gotta bring him through this current real fast here. Just a little guy. Just a little guy. Boy, he really wanted it though. There we go. Little teeny itty bitty guy. He'd be like bait size. All right, we should get a fisher here. That's a nice run right there. Ooh, got a fish on. Yeah, I figured I called it. Figured I'd get a fish. Hands wet. Hands wet. Ooh. Just let him go down a little bit. Yeah, we'll get him over here. That's all right. Another little brown. Hands are both wet. Yeah, I know. You'll be in the water in about 2 seconds. Here we go. A little brown. Into the water she goes. Swimming away. Oop, fish on. Fish on, fish on. Get a nice brown. I know. I'll kick you free here in about 10 seconds, but here we go. Got another one, a nice guy right here. Okay, put him back in. There he goes. See you later there, Chuckles. Well, that happened right next to me too. I just turned on the camera and all of a sudden, and I stopped reeling, all of a sudden I nailed a fish. Go figure that one out. I don't know if I'll be able to go through here or not. This water's pretty deep. Hope so. Ooh, fish on. Ooh, nice brown too. Right here next to me, just like the last one. Oh, and he got off too. Oh well. You've seen it. Holy shit balls, I can't walk. Ooh, got one right there. Followed it right to the shore. Oh, there he goes too. He got off and now he's swimming away. Had a fish on. That was quick. As soon as it hit the water. This guy's a ways down too. Maybe he'll get off before he gets here. Hopefully not. Yep, got a fish on. Yep, nice size brown. Yes, nice size brown. There's a little guy. And I'll take him. The little guy's a little guy. All right. Nice simple hook right in this corner of his mouth. There we go. Yeah, another one. It's been a really busy day. We'll get this guy back in the water. And there he goes. He's swimming away. The worse for the wear.